Look, I was
Okay, so a denial of service attack or a DoS attack is a type of attack that aims to render a network service or system unavailable. Typically, this is achieved by overwhelming the target with excessive traffic or requests, thereby exhausting system resources or saturating the bandwidth. Denial of service attacks have been a part of the cyber threat landscape since the early days of the internet. Early attackers employed basic techniques such as sending malformed packets or simple traffic floods. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, as the internet expanded, more sophisticated methods began to emerge targeting high profile government and commercial websites. Over time, DoS attacks have evolved from a single source attack to a distributed denial of service, or a DDoS. DDoS leverages multiple compromised systems, often organized into botnets, to coordinate attacks that are more difficult to mitigate. Attack techniques have also advanced, with amplification and reflection methods allowing attackers to exponentially increase the volume of traffic directed at a target. There are multiple new technologies that are impacting how DoS works. With the widespread adoption of Internet of Things or IoT devices and mobile technology, it has significantly altered the threat landscape. Many IoT devices have minimal security configurations, making them extremely easy to be compromised and to be included within botnets. This increases the number of devices that are now available for launching attacks. And mobile devices, by virtue of their connectivity and ubiquity, similarly contribute to an expanded and more diverse attack surface. Cloud computing has even expanded it, but it's also mitigated it. On one hand, cloud platforms offer scalable resources, load balancing, and robust defense mechanisms that can absorb large volumes of traffic. On the other hand, an attacker can exploit the same cloud infrastructure to launch more potent DoS attacks. Additionally, the centralization of services in the cloud makes them attractive targets, requiring continuous security improvements and monitoring. Generative AI, it's all the rage nowadays. Everybody is using it, including attackers and defenders. So, generative AI is influencing the DoS arena in several ways because it can be used to craft attack patterns that closely resemble legitimate traffic, making detection and mitigation more challenging. Moreover, by analyzing vast data sets, AI can help in identifying vulnerabilities and optimizing attack strategies. It is important to note that while AI enhances the sophistication of DoS methods, similar AI driven technologies and techniques are also being deployed to strengthen security and defenses. All right, so what we're going to be using is some old school popular technology. We're going to use high orbital ion cannon as well as low orbital ion cannon. Um, Not as effective because we're not connecting to the proxy and launching multiple bots at the same time. And as you can see, as I increase the capabilities of Hayok, it eventually crashes. We're going to use a couple tools here that come preloaded or available from GitHub in order to conduct a DoS attack on DVWA running on Metasploitable 2. Here we've written a C2 server in Python, and we're only using 3 bots, so it's not going to be as effective. It'll slow down the traffic, but it won't stop it. You can scale this out, deploy it in Kubernetes, and have a more effective attack against our target.